Yeah, hello. Today we go with one important question. This question is asked in many company interviews. That question is a palindrome of a number. Okay. To check if whether if a number is palindrome or not. For that, first we know what is palindrome. For example, if my input is 12,321, if I want to reverse this number, so if I reverse this number now, that is same 12,321. Here my input and reverse value both are same, so it is a palindrome. For example, if I give a input is 12,345, if I reverse this number 54,321. If my input and my reverse value both are not same, so it is not a palindrome. This is the question. For that, what we do? First I get the input. After that I reverse that input. Reverse, and I stored that input in one variable. After that I check if my input and reverse value both are equal or not. There are two decisions. If it is equal, print palindrome. If it is not equal, so print not a palindrome. Okay, this is my question. So for that, how to solve the question? Okay, first I get my input. For example, my input is 12,345. Okay, first I want to reverse this number. This is my n value. Okay, first I get the last digit. If I reverse now, if I come with from the last to first, so I get the last digit 5. How to get my last digit? My input modulus 10, I get my the last digit, and after that I stored this digit in a one another variable. That variable, first I initialize that variable reverse equal to 0. Now I want to store that value in reverse. How to store? For that, reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus at that digit value. I store this 5 in one d variable, so d equal to 5, and I store this 5 in here. So my reverse value equal to 0. 0 into 10, that is 0, and my d value is 5, so I stored that 5 in that reverse. Now my reverse is changed into 5. Okay, sorry, my reverse is changed into 5. Now I want to get the d value is 4. How to get 4? For that, first I remove the 5 in my number. I want only 1 2 3 4 only. For that, what we do? My input is 12,345. I divided by 10, I get the value 1234. Now if I want 4, so 1234, I give modulus 10, I get a value 4. Now I stored that 4 in my reverse value. Now already my reverse value is 5, so 5 into 10, that is 50. 50 plus my d value is 4, so I get the value 54. Now I want the d value is 3. For that I want to change my input as 123. Okay, for that what we do, 1234 is my n value, so I divided by 10, I change my n value equal to 123. So 123 modulus 10, I get a value 3. Now I want to add this value in reverse. So my reverse value is 54. I into 10, I get a value 540. Now my d value is 3. So I get the reverse value is 543. Now I want a value d value equal to 2. So my input is changed into 12. For that what we do, 123 divided by 10, I get a value 12. Now if I want 2 means 12 modulus 10, I get a value 2. Now I want to add that value in reverse. So 543 is my reverse value. I give into 10. So 5430. So I give plus 2. So 5432 is my reverse value. Now I want to change my n value equal to 1. So 12 divided by 10, I changed my n value equal to 1. Now I want the 1. So 1 modulus 10, I get 1. Next I give change n value equal to 0. So 1 divided by 10, it changed into 0. Now this 1 is I added to the reverse. So 5432 is my input reverse value. So I give into 10. So 54,320. So plus 1. So 54,321. I reverse that value and I stored in the reverse variable. So for this operation I give one condition. Here my starting input is 12,345. My n value is changed into 0. Whenever if my n value is changed into 0, I stop the loop. So we don't know when there is a change in the 0. So I using a while loop, and inside the while loop I give a condition n not equal to 0. So I give this operation and I reverse the value. After that I compare the two values. If the two values are equal, I print the number is palindrome, or else the number is not a palindrome. Okay, now I write a code for that question. First I get the input int n equal to 12,345. Now I want to extract each digit. So I using a while loop. While I condition is n not equal to 0. Whenever my n value is changed into 0, I stop the loop. First I get the last digit and stored in one variable. That variable name is called d. My input is n and I give a modulus 10. I get a value 5. Okay, next I want to add that 5 in one reverse variable. For that I initialize a reverse variable int reverse equal to 0. Now reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus d. After getting one digit, I want to remove the digit. So n equal to n divided by 10. Now I get the reverse value. Next step is I compare that my input and reverse value. Here don't compare n and reverse because my n values changed into 0. For that I stored my n value in one temporary variable. So int temp equal to n. Now outside the loop I compare if my temp value double equal to reverse. If this condition is true, I print the statement it is a palindrome. If it is not equal, I print the statement it is not a palindrome. Now my input is 12,345. If I reverse this number, 54,321. So it is not equal. So I run this code. My output is not a palindrome. If I give that input is 12,321. If I reverse, that is the same 12,321. Now I run this code. I get the output is palindrome. Thank you.